Make it easy to match camera settings to the scene or subject for that perfect photo. Want a glamorous portrait photo? Then select the Scene Mode Portrait option. This option smooths out irregularities in your subject's complexion and blurs the background to create a photo with a sense of depth. Want a close-up of a pretty flower or beautiful butterfly? Then choose the Close-Up Scene Mode. This mode captures small subjects sharply and clearly. Here we've captured the delicate features of a beautiful flower. The D3300 offers a number of other scene modes. Landscape mode. This creates vivid photos of landscapes and cityscapes. Child mode. This renders children's complexions beautifully while retaining the vivid colors in their clothing and surroundings. Sports mode. Choose this to freeze motion for dynamic action shots. And finally, Night Portrait mode. This beautifully captures not only portrait subjects, but also darker objects in the background. Getting stunning results is as easy as selecting the right scene mode. P, S, A, and M modes. Let you choose whether you or the camera is in charge of shutter speed and aperture. You can also adjust exposure compensation and a variety of other settings for increased freedom of expression. Want to blur the background or increase depth of field so that both background and foreground objects are in focus? Then choose Mode A, Aperture Priority Auto Mode. In this mode, you can select the aperture while leaving the camera in charge of choosing shutter speed for exposure. Choose wide apertures to blur the background and emphasize your main subject. Small apertures to bring out details in the foreground and background. For snapshots, choose Mode P, Programmed Auto Mode. The camera controls both shutter speed and aperture for optimal exposure, ensuring you'll never miss a chance to take a picture. S stands for Shutter Priority Auto. In this mode, you select the shutter speed while leaving the camera in charge of adjusting aperture for optimal exposure, allowing you to freeze or blur motion. In Mode M, Manual Mode, you control both shutter speed and aperture. When you want to use the flash in P, S, A, or M mode, you can raise it by pressing the flash mode button. The flash will fire with every shot. In guide mode, you can take and view photographs with the help of an on-screen guide. Select Shoot to adjust camera settings to your subject or shooting conditions. View Delete to view or delete photos. And Setup to adjust a variety of commonly used or useful settings.